crow.
Hello everybody, today we're back with another video, and today we are playing some Jailbreak, and I will be joining my brother Daniel.
And we have key. I have key.
Well, my brother has a key.
We are not cheating.
And
We are
then
not cheating.
my brother is going to be, he already escaped, I think, right?
No, I'm still in here because I'm waiting. Because I have key. That's what the thing is.
Why does it take so long for him to upgrade?
Good thing I have gun. I have gun.
Come on, let's get going. Just hurry up already.
Where should I hide? I'm hiding, got it?
Okay, and we're here. So, they have a
I need
new
to
update. They have longer trains. No more sliding, or no more flinging. And the train stays on track. It's really good, because they used to, never stay on track and stuff, and they'd always just, flick everywhere, and it's annoying, so. What? No, don't close on me. Is anyone in there? No. Okay.
Okay, are you in the game?
Yeah, I got
I'm
a key.
coming,
I got
I'm
a key
coming.
card. I got a key card. I got a key card. I got a key
Yeah,
card.
that guy's really newbie, I told you, right?
Well, you never told me anything. Ah, this guy's coming. I think he's gonna come for me soon. Oh, he doesn't even know I'm here. I think.
Can I come?
It's good.
Can you wait for me?
Hold on, I'm gonna get this helicopter by hijacking it.
I'm going
Hopefully,
to the sewers.
get caught.
I'm going to the sewers. Pick me up down there, got it?
Got it.
Okay, down. I'm right there.
Do I see him?
At the sewer plate.
Daniel, come on, quick.
Hurry up.
Here, Q. Come on, Danny, quick.
I will get on the rope.
Get in quick.
Got it, go.
Let's go, quick.
I'm going on rope, got it?
Got it.
Can you put out the rope?
Wait, hold on. Why?
I just need to. Oh, you want me to shoot?
Yeah, shoot. You're on shooting duty. I don't have a gun yet, so should I go get a gun? Yeah,
Why did you not get gun? You know, earlier I saw that someone
I don't
that
have
had
time.
someone got arrested when they just got in, so I went out.
Oh, wow.
The helicopter. It's crazy, right? Should we keep the helicopter or should we get them over?
Why did I stop there? Why did I stop? Daniel, keep on lookout.
Good thing I have my pistol out. I mean, my powerful gun.
Your powerful gun, is that really what you call it?
I'm gonna get this gun. Got it.
Same.
It's powerful.
It's only an AK-47.
Well, it has the most shooters. Do you know the SWAT pack? The gun only has 30 bullets.
Really?
I mean 20. But this kind of gun has more than that. So that's why I didn't buy it.
So where do you want to go first? Oh, I have 19,000. Sorry.
Where should we go?
I'm gonna go get my motorcycle.
I'm not gonna get a motorcycle.
Me neither, actually. I think it's better to stay with the helicopter, right? The campers.
Wait, do you know what I saw? Yeah, can we go there? It's safe there. It's safe.
Yeah.
Okay, let's every time when we take a break here. I'm gliding down.
Whee!
Hi, campers.
Hello.
Why are you?
Are we late for the party?
Watch this.
Can you actually go in there? Ah, Danny! Danny, help!
I got arrested.
Daniel! I'm gonna try to break you out, okay?
Don't do it. Don't do it, Michelle. Just run away. Don't save me. Don't
Are you
save
sure?
me.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm really good at this game, Michelle. Don't save me.
Are you sure, Danny?
Yeah, I'm just sure. Just don't save me.
I'm just sure?
Yeah, I'm just sure. Oh, my grandma's back. But just don't save me.
Grandma's back?
What am I saying?
What are you saying? I thought I heard you say Grandma's back. I'm like, what? Grandma? Who's Grandma? Why is she back? Was she even ever here?
Maybe.
What?
There's no most wanted here.
No most wanted?
Yeah.
He's gonna try killing me. I don't know what I should do. I'm just gonna get in this helicopter. No, dig it.
I'm pickpocketing.
Yes.
Should I escape with the key?
He doesn't see. Okay, great. I'm safe. I'm safe.
Can you come back to the present?
Yeah, that was really nerve-wracking. I'll drop my rope for you. I'll drop my rope for you, okay?
Don't let anyone else escape. Oh, I see your helicopter.
Ready? I'm coming.
I'm at the yard.
I'm coming down. Come on.
Jump.
Quick.
Where are you?
I'm right here, Danny. Danny, right here.
Go
Okay,
down.
come on, come on, come on.
Okay, give me some guns.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, if you go first person on a rope, it looks weird.
Really?
Can't wait to your butt.
What?
Okay, just go. Give me some guns.
Okay, okay.
Go to the regular one, not the secret one.
Oh, why don't we just go to the AK-47 shop?
Or just get the AK-47? Because you think I'm good at shooting?
Ready?
I'm jumping.
Okay, jump.
I can't jump. You have to drop your rope. There we go. And then I have to get down. There we go. I'm just going to get my AK-47. Got it?
Got it. Better hurry. I see some helicopters. You in?
Yeah.
You have a gun?
Yeah. Good. I'm shooting everything.
Okay,
I'm going to build it.
Ew, really? Okay, let's go rob some place.
Wait.
I really want to rob some place.
Bank.
Okay.
I'm really good at the parkour.
Do you have a key card?
No.
I do. Okay, we're good. I was just wondering if you had one so that we could escape together, but okay. Oh, what am I doing?
I don't know.
Hey, don't you dare call me that. Can you? Is it locked?
Let me see. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Huh.
What happened? You see, please?
No. There, get in.
Run, and you need to run. Let's go rob bank. Bank.
I'm trying.
Oh, it's closed.
I know it's closed, but like.
So let's just camp out here.
Oh no, it's not. It's not. Okay, let's go. Come on.
No.
I lost patience. Let's go. Come on, quick. Let's go. Be careful on these lasers, okay? I'm gonna blow up this dynamite. Or place the dynamite. I'm probably gonna die here because I suck at this, but whatever.
I have yellow life. Don't punch me.
I won't.
Oh, you good. I have yellow life. You better than me.
Okay, that one's open. The police have entered the building now. Come on, jump back, Diddy!
Ah.
Ready? Shoot any polices you see. Then you shoot him. Mine's reloading. Yes. Okay, go.
I got 1,000.
Nice.
I got a key.
Nice. Go, come on, quick. Don't die, okay?
I'm escaping from the dynamite.
Okay, I'm just gonna walk out, okay? Did you escape yet?
Yeah.
Good. I'm getting out too.
Did you lock the vehicle?
Yeah, I think so.
Did you get out?
Yeah, I got out.
Me too.
Yes.
Come on in, get in. I need to get in. I'm arrested.
No! Danny!
Just don't say me. Run away again.
Dang it, I got it. It's okay, that was really good though. That was nice. That was good.
Should I be please?
Sure, I don't know.
Picklock me. Oh, I cannot do it in 19 seconds.
Oh, okay.
So are you gonna switch?
I don't know. Can you give me some money?
Why?
I don't know. Okay, whatever. Wow, money's so expensive in jail.
Oh, I'm here.
What? Oh, I'm right here. Hi.
I'm really next to you. I want this to sell.
Oh, nice. We're gonna have to end the video soon, so yeah,
Michelle, can we, I will be pleased now.
me too.
Let's go arrest some people.
Dang it, the team's full.
Okay, just pickpocket me.
Okay.
And then, like, meet me at the cell.
What? By the way, we just finished watching Peter Rabbit. It was really good. Sorry. I pressed the wrong button.
Are you done?
Yeah.
I changed. Oh, I'm at the yard. Let's go get weapon first.
Well,
There's
actually,
a camper at the base.
this is part 1. If you guys want to see part 2, make sure you subscribe.
Where are you?
We're gonna end the video off today, and make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.